everybody. My name is Ivan. I like I in E2M. Today, I read my day on the ESL. I did your mom. Today, today was a today was a good day in the ESL. We see many beautiful friends I can find in the ESL. I can I can't drink water. I like to the see I like to see song from the ESL, but I can play tennis. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.